In this video, I want to talk about how you can pay someone on Binance. Now I'll show you 3 different ways that you can do it. The first one is if you come over here, click here and go to Spot. Then what you can do is you can click on Withdraw. And in Withdraw, what you want to do is instead of putting, you just want to select these. And where it says Withdraw to, instead of putting your own address, you just want to put the guy's address that you want to pay. Now the second option that you can do is you can go to P2P and you can make a listing in here, and then you're just going to buy the listing from in here. And the last one is you can use the app, Binance app. In there, what you want to do is you want to just pray on pay, and after that you want to send, and you can put either one of these, select what you want to send, and then confirm it. So those are the 3 ways that you can pay someone on Binance. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.